Hello, gurus.
Let's speak about
Welcome to
crypto.
another episode.
Yeah.
We're here in beautiful Switzerland. I'm with Oksana and her sister. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and predict what's going to happen. What do you guys think about Bitcoin?
Bitcoin cool.
Super
Check
cool.
out this one.
Yeah, cool. Looks nice.
Do you have Bitcoin?
Yeah.
10.
10
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin?
Yes.
And are you going to buy more Bitcoin?
Yeah, more 10.
No,
10 more.
More 40.
40 Bitcoin.
Yes, because I'm mining, you know.
And
Yeah.
you have to use my link, don't forget, down below.
Of course. No, my link. My
Or
link.
mine.
No, mine.
But better in James.
No, mine. But
Look.
you don't record, or you record?
I'm recording already.
Yes.
We're jumping into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. Hit subscribe, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. We're in beautiful... we're in beautiful Switzerland. And we're going to jump into charts. I'm also going to show you some stuff on MCRT. Bitcoin had a big bounce back yesterday. My trade was negative $1,000 if you watch my video. And yes, I've been wearing the same shirt for the last two days because the airlines lost my luggage. But it's okay, they found it, so we're back. I'm going to change soon. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up, and let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the tech. And Bitcoin is having a big pump back, which is beautiful. You can see here, this is on the 4-hourly charts, and we broke exactly as predicted, by the way. Look at this, it's exactly following the line. Let's see how far this breakout runs. This is the descending triangle, which builds, as I teach you in the crypto master course, in the description and pinned comment, you learn technical analysis. It builds pressure, and usually explodes against the trend. When you have a descending triangle, which is going down in a downtrend, usually you go up, it breaks to the upside, and that's what happened. As predicted, we broke out to the upside, which is good because I added more at 37,700. RSI is heading up more. It's got more room to run. Stochastic is overbought back though, so we could have a pullback. But MACD is crossing towards the upside, so we've got more to run. Volume needs to come in to confirm this breakout. We're in the EMA ribbons. Let's see if we've been getting rejected off the EMA ribbons for a very long time. Let's see if now we can break above it. But we've actually been being rejected from the EMA ribbons all the way going back to 29th of March. So for the last month, we've been getting rejected every time from the EMA ribbons. Let's see if this is different. This is a descending triangle though, so the target would be 42,000. Crypto Guru Bot is still firing a sell. It hasn't fired a buy. You get it in the master course in the description, pin comment. Bitcoin Indicator Bot though fired a buy exactly on the bottom, which is beautiful. So I've got a long open. My long opened pretty much here. Yes, I made a video yesterday where I would open the long, and it's in the same position. I would actually wait for a pullback though on Bitcoin before going long. I would wait till a pullback to here, 38,200 before opening a long. 38,200. I put my stop loss below the major support, which is around here, and my take profit I would put at 40, the top of this range up here, which would be actually at this big resistance, 48,000. So it's a nice risk to reward ratio trade. I'm risking $1,600 to make almost $9,800. So it's 5.96. If I use 10x leverage, that would be $98,000 of profit. So it would be a really nice trade to take. I think we're going to at least come up to here on this run and then maybe get rejected off this major resistance at 40,000. But I wouldn't be shorting Bitcoin here much because we're very close to the bottom in my opinion. If you zoom out, we're at some major areas of support here. So shorting Bitcoin on a major area of support, and this is one of the strongest supports that goes back to 2021. You can see we have support here, here. We have so much support here, so I do expect a big bounce. We're also getting volume recently coming in on the daily, which is quite bullish. Let's go into the hourly charts. Hourly, the RSI is heading up still, and we're breaking out. Target will be $42,000. Let's go into the daily and see what's going to happen on the daily charts. If we zoom out on the daily, let's look at the EMA ribbons there. We're below the EMA ribbons on the daily. It's coming against it. Let's see if it gets rejected. Crypto Guru Bot is also still firing a sell on the daily. Bitcoin Indicator Bot is firing a buy on the daily. And it very rarely fires buys and sells on the daily. So this is a good indicator on the daily chart. So that's what's happening in Bitcoin. On the hourly, we are breaking out and we're making a bull flag actually on Bitcoin. This is a bull flag. We've got the pole and a flag forming here. That's usually a bullish target, a bullish technical pattern. So 42,000 will be the target, I think, if we manage to keep heading up here. 42,000. I'm still long. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video you can trade Bitcoin, altcoins, cryptocurrencies using these links. You get a sign-up bonus of $4,600 when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. You have to deposit Bitcoin in there to get that bonus. So when you go down in the description and pin comment, click on this Bybit link, $4,600. You can buy Bitcoin, altcoins, Ethereum. You can open trades. NordVPN is also there if you have any restrictions. Over on my Bybit account, we had a big bounce back on my Bybit account. Now it's got a let's see, $205,660, so up around $2,000 from yesterday. My Bitcoin trade is negative $400 still, but the trade is now bigger. It's a $30,000 trade. I added more to this position at $37,700. It was negative $1,000 yesterday, so it's actually recovered around $700. I'm still keeping it long. I think we're close to the bottom here. That's why I'm starting to add. In this account, I also have 48,900 of Bit, which is, I'm really bullish on Bit cryptocurrency. I've got one Bitcoin in here, and I've got around 8,200 CRV. I want to add more to CRV. Let's look at CRV. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is also having a big bounce. Let's see what the altcoins. We're pretty much just flat right now. Let's look at Ethereum, and then we'll look at, so this is Ethereum on the hourly. On the 4 hourly, it's laddering down. Most likely, it bounced off that support line perfectly. Look at my trend line at 2,700. It exactly bounced off there perfectly. And that's a major trend line that goes back to the beginning of the year. We're sitting right on that trend line. So is the US stock market. But I do expect a bounce here, actually. We also have a channel here on Ethereum. So what you could do is, there's a nice place to be opening along here. It would have been better to open it yesterday. We're on Ethereum at 2,700, but just missed my buy order. It came down to 2,700 and it came to a low of 2,709, and I had a buy order for Ethereum at 2,770. Now I made it even lower, but I think now could be an actually time to be buying Ethereum here. RSI is heading up. It's oversold. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is oversold. And we're sitting on right on a major support here. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy. Crypto Guru bot didn't fire a buy yet. Would I buy Ethereum? I think if we can open a trade here because we've got this channel. So if we break underneath this channel, then it just automatically hits the stop loss at a very low loss. But if it goes to the upper end of the channel, that'll take us to 3,700. So right now, the next few days are so important for Bitcoin, for altcoins, for cryptocurrencies, for Ethereum. If we can get a bounce here on the markets, it's a very good thing. If we get rejected here, then most likely Ethereum goes to 2,400. But if we can bounce here with volume, the target would actually be the upper end of this channel, 3,700. So a really important moment here. On the 4 hourly, we are bounced off that support. RSI is heading up. Stochastic is overbought right now, so not looking amazing. Most likely going to come back down and test this 2,700, and we really need a big bounce here. So I'll wait for it to open a long here on Ethereum only when it comes down to this 2,700 with a very tight stop loss and the take profit at the upper end of this channel. But I will wait to open this trade until Ethereum to see which direction it chooses. So that's my thoughts on the market. Let's see also down here what normal people see, head and shoulders. What a trader sees, a head and shoulders. This is a reversal pattern, or the peak pattern of a head and shoulders. You got the shoulder, head and shoulder, but what normal people see, the shampoo. Hey James, I see a lot of haters here. Please keep making videos. Don't let them put you down. We need you in the crypto community. All love. Thank you, Alex. Subscribing to this channel is the best decision of my life. Thank you, Pratek. Thank you for the updates, brother. Yes, you did call just like 90% of everything else. Thank you, bro. Yuga Labs, the guys that own the monkeys, the NFTs, Bored Apes, raised $300 million from the land sale of NFTs, as I was talking about the last videos. Goldman Sachs is offering the first Bitcoin-backed loan. The US stock market is sitting on a major support line here. If we break it, it will get brutal for the markets. Today is a very important day in the markets. This is some characters coming from MCRT. This is one of the warriors. These are the designs that they're making to 3D characters. This is the necromancer. The world right now, me buying crypto. I want to also show you some cool. These are more designs from Magicraft. The knights. And we've got, these are the characters coming to life. This is the HUD of Magicraft. So the UI in the game, this is what it's going to be looking like. And they're doing amazing, the Devoted Studios. They're building such epic stuff. We're making the first cryptocurrency gameplay. This is the Magicraft team, some of our team, that are building everything behind the scenes. These are some of the characters coming to life. Those will be the characters in the game. So thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. I'm going to keep making videos every day. I've been doing it for almost 2 years now, which is beautiful. And I'm here in Switzerland, going to go enjoy the sights. I hope you have an amazing day. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.